Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Nia, with Xquisite Floral Design and Events. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today we are going to make a few errands rather. Tomorrow I have a style shoot that I'm really excited about, and so I'm on my way right now to pick up a few more flowers. I went downtown yesterday. I put in a few inserts because I always forget to vlog this stuff, but I need to really get back active in my YouTube channel. I've been busy with doing just style shoots, trying to find something new, and then just local orders. Next week I have a funeral memorial service that I will be participating in, and then at the end of the month I have this style shoot that I'm so excited about. So I'm going to coin it what fairy tales are made of. I'm thinking, I think that's so cute, what fairy tales are made of. And we're in like this woodsy area, and we got storybooks, keys, and I just gotta get into my head and figure out what I want to do. The photographer on this project has some really great ideas, and it's just now I have to design it. Luckily, all I'm doing with this one is just, so I've made it to my destination. I'm like glowing. Excuse me, I have no makeup on. I just have like oils. Anyway, oh, and a filter. Anyway, I made it to my destination, and I totally forgot what I was updating you guys on. But the update is I really don't have much. Next week I do have a funeral and memorial that I said I would bring you guys along, and the following week I don't have anything. The end of the month I'm really excited about this style shoot with my fairy tales do come true. And then after that, November, I have like little small things I'll bring you guys along, but I'm going to be more diligent in taping. I think I'm going to invest in a actual vlogging camera and stop using my phone. I'm being cheap. So I'm going to run in here, grab my few extra flowers. I really don't need them, but the young lady that I'm doing this for, she had a little bit of anxiety, so I don't want her to, not get what she was looking for. And I'm going to give her some tips on where she can get published and stuff. I haven't got published it yet, neither, but one of my friends gave me this website. So I'm hoping my last style shoot I did, I'll send those pictures in and see what happened. So we'll see. So I ran into Trader Joe's to buy some tea tree face cleanser, and I love their hair, what is it? Let's see. What is this? Their shampoo and conditioner. I love it. And also some sunscreen, lotion sunscreen, because this is from the sun. I need to start taking better care of my skin if I want to stay young forever. Anyway, so now I'm at Trader Joe's. I want to try to find some type of fabric to make ribbon with. I had purchased some from Amazon, and when I got it, I was like, this is nothing but chiffon, and it's just ripped and kind of picked on the ends to where it's kind of freely. So I'm like, I can do this myself. Why pay for it? So we go into Joann's for the fabric. I probably get like a yard of, or probably 3/8 of a yard of both of them, and then I'm good to go. Welcome back. So I'm on my way to, I wonder if you guys hear me. Let's turn it down. I'm on my way to the style shoot. I got everything ready, and I'm all ready to go. Got a bunch of junk back there, hit the corner, some stuff fell, but I'm on my way. So that's the end of my week. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I'm hoping these photographs get published. It will be awesome. And I'll let you guys know. Bye for now.